welcome to the Chef James show. Today we're going to be making the special James omelette. You need that, a pan of balls, cheese, ham, a knife, eggs, fork, jug, and a cheese grater. First, crack the eggs into the jug. If you get something on your hands, you can wash them. You have to wash your hands after be touching 4 eggs. Next, get as much ham as in it and then cut it up. When your adult's not looking, you might be able to have a sneaky bit. Now the chef, make sure it's okay. You need an adult to cut yours in cheese, and I like cheddar and red Leicester. Always have more cheese than you need, so you can have a sneaky bit. Then you have to mix the eggs and then put the ham and cheese in. Delicious. Next, pour some temperature into the pan, and you might need an adult to help you with this. Now it's starting to cook. You need to flip it over. And there we have it, my perfect ham and cheese omelette, ready for lunchtime.